Boost your immune system with garlic and honey. Looking to boost your immune system naturally? If your answer is positive, then look no further. Your kitchen has some amazing ingredients to help you out. You might be thinking of apple cider or perhaps an apple. Those are awesome but not the answer. Your kitchen has a whole lot of ingredients that would help you fight cases of flu and colds. You might have heard about garlic and honey. Yes, we all have heard about them, but I'm not sure we have heard about their unique combination. Garlic combined with honey would improve upon your health in several ways. Combining garlic with honey would be tasty and have a lot of health benefits. In today's video, we would look at the combined power of garlic and honey. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to get updates on new content. Honey contains enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties. A tablespoon of honey is enough to raise your energy levels and fight infections as well as reduce allergies. Raw honey has plenty of benefits, unlike that which is filtered. Local fresh honey contains healing and immune boosting properties. Garlic is an immune system booster. It contains antifungal, antibacterial, antiseptic, and a whole lot of nutritional properties. It is also anti-inflammatory and contains minerals such as calcium, allicin, selenium, and vitamin C, amongst others. Garlic has unique properties that would help improve upon your health, your heart health, lower your cholesterol levels, prevents cancer, as well as regulating blood pressure. That sure sounds great. Combining these two would help you get a great immune system booster. Thinking about a garlic honey recipe? We got you. Ingredients: raw honey, garlic, knife, jar. Procedure: using the flat part of the knife, crush the garlic and leave to sit for 15 minutes. Place into the jar and fill with raw honey. Close with a lid, let it be for 3 to 5 days. The garlic would absorb the properties of the honey. Refrigerate after the 3rd to 5th day. Consume when under the weather or in times of flu. You can consume a ginger clove every hour, but be sure not to go above 5 cloves in a day. If you feel like you have successfully boosted your immune system, you can reduce your consumption. It is right about the time we get our immune systems in top gear. Just follow the recipe and you are set. If you have any other recipes or ideas, please share it with us in the comment section. Do not also forget to like the video and share it with your loved ones. They just might be waiting for an immune system miracle.